Hi everyone, today we will review the another novel, The Great Gatsby. The Great Gatsby is written by F. Scott Fitzgerald and it is almost around 200 pages. F. Scott Fitzgerald has written many short novels, stories, and columns. It was the third novel of F. Scott Fitzgerald and it was a great fictional classic story. This novel has written in 1925 and it was written in Jazz Age. This novel has been narrated by Nick Carraway, a person who was graduated from Yale University. This novel portrayed the life of Great Gatsby, and the novel portrayed the life of his tragic life. He was a self-made millionaire. Today I will talk about the major points of this novel. First major point of this novel was American life. Everybody wants to live his life, a lavish life, a luxury life. It was same like a Great Gatsby. He also wants his life to live like a luxury man. So he reinvents himself to become a successful and wealthy person. The also main part of this novel is dissatisfaction. After achieving all achievements in his life, he dissatisfied with his success. He never feels that he was from upper class. He feels that he was from a lower class. This novel talks about the bitter realities of 20th centuries. F. Scott Fitzgerald has portrayed this novel beautifully. It talks about the real truth of that time. 20th century was a flamboyant time. People were living their life extravagant life. They were doing parties and all. The truth was bitter, but it was the realities of that time. Another important theme of this novel is love and marriage. In earlier time, in life of Daisy chose Great Gatsby for date. They were loving both each other, but when it comes time for Daisy to choose someone for his marriage, Daisy choose someone from his own class. So this novel also portrayed the role of social caste, social society, how it plays an important role for our life. So Gatsby has money, but he has no upper status. He has no many acquaintances in his life. Another lesson from this novel is we always crave for that thing which is out of our life, which is out of our reach. So it portrayed in this novel that we always give importance for that thing that is out of our reach. F. Scott Fitzgerald has portrayed the bitter realities of life of 20th century. Another and most important part of this novel is power. Gay Gatsby has a power of new aristocrat. He was an honest person. He also took blame of that old murdered lady, and he took all the blame upon himself. It showed the how honest person was the Great Gatsby. But when we talks about the Daisy and Tom, they were the old aristocrat, and their life was very complicated. They were living the fake life. In this novel, it showed that how the people were from the old aristocrat. Gatsby has portrayed all aspects of life. It touches the every aspects of life. How beautifully F. Scott Fitzgerald has portrayed the novel in that way. F. Scott Fitzgerald took this protagonist to protect his view, to protect his opinion about the life and realities. There is also more film on this novel.